and welcome to the Minkeshi unboxing, more like unbagging video. I found DA Design 1979 on Insta, doing some doom scrolling my life away on my beautiful iPhone. And this guy makes some of the coolest friggin' Keshi I've ever seen. He's my primo from Kobe, Japan. He's a really creative cat. Two imaginative, beautiful children who come up with all of his children, aka Superman design. So we got these give-outs here. Looks like there's 6 series. Minkeshi. I can't read that. Google Translate, baby. Cute little bag. These guys come in a variety of colors. The usual flesh. Let's just pick one and play. This is the Mimic Octopus, Mimico Octopuso. 6 arms. Ooh. Great detail. All the little octopus dots and pokes, divots. Beautiful. Kojiman, construction man. He's got some great details, rubble in the back there. Nice little drill, clamper, bulldozer feet. Fantastic detail. Beautiful. Right here, this comes in a couple parts. Comes with some series. Look how tiny they are. This is awesome. This is a vending machine, man. Looking in the vent in the back there. Fantastic. He's got these coins. The Chojin Henbaki man. He actually sells these little guys out of his machine there. It looks like there's a couple of drinks that he sells. Comes with a couple of coins too. Little guys here. Drink up, buddy. Spirusu. Oh! Covered in these little octopus popper tentacle suction thingies. Look at that. I want to call him COVID man, but I can't do that. Beautiful. Look at that face. The face here too. Wow. Redoho Suman. This guy's a badass. Some cool armor. Yeah, a little bit of sticky right there. That's okay. It's an homage to a Ferrari F8. So here we got Bugman. That's what I want to call him. The Malaysian jungle stick insect. Look at those spikes. Absolutely fantastic. The Ghouls and Ghosts Mansion. Obashkayaski Mount. Look at that. Can you even get the fence around the porch there? Wow. Absolutely beautiful. The big house. This guy's fantastic. He comes with a little dude here. Zombie. Next we got the Haunted Mansion. Beautiful. Look at that. Another house guy. Spider there. Some classic horror tropes sticking out there. Vampire, mummy man. All kinds of stuff. This guy comes with a couple minions too. Wow! And finally, we have what I want to call Leopard Man. The Sabaru. Google wants to call him the Several, but I don't think that's correct. It sounds like Nakaka. Look at those claws. Clawed feet, too. Knee pads. Comparison shot with the muscle here. We got a little bit of a height scale difference. This is a hard resin. Does not bendy. But it also won't snap off on you. Check out my boy, DA Design 1979 on Insta. And his beautiful Keshi shop, minkeshi.base.shop. Don't let the language barrier get you. If you're an English guy, he'll take care of you, always. I'm about to order another bunch of figures now.